Hey everyone, Jonathan697 here, and today, I'm doing another Help Wanted video. I have unlocked a bunch of the stuff a bunch of the items in the game off camera, like I said I would. But we're doing the last two of the normal levels for Help Wanted. And if I quickly do this, I have finally beaten the crap out of Plush Baby. So Plush Baby has now been completed. So as you can see, I've got more of the plushies, more of the action figures, all the food I now have, all of the toys I have, and all of the bobbleheads I have. I just need a couple more of the plushies, and a good chunk of the action figures. So we're gonna do vent repair first. We're doing vent repair and night terrors. I should have read the instructions. Because Oh, sure. What is this crap?
Welcome to Vent Repair. Fazbear Entertainment Pride.
Oh, heck. Ah, Mangle! How do you... Pseudo. How in the world did I die from you, Mangle? Mangle, how in the world did you kill me? Okay, Mangle, really now.
Welcome to Vent Repair. Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities.
What am I doing wrong? Where the flip is Mangle? I don't want your stupid candy. Heck no, I want...
Welcome to Vent Repair.
Shut up. I hate Mangle. I hate Mangle.
Welcome to Vet Repair. Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities. Each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time. The 4 active indicator lights mean we have a well-functioning ventilation system. Your headlamp should protect you from any critters who may have stumbled into the ducts. As a certified vet technician, you should need no instruction.
What am I supposed to do? Sorry, I'm being quiet. Get Mangle! Get Mangle. Green, blue, red.
A perfect 72 degrees. Good job. See you next time.
Let's see what I get. Hey, it's the Chica figure. Okay, Mangle done. Mangle's done. And finally, we're gonna do Night Terrors as well in this video. I'm gonna try to talk now. Oh. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. No, not these things.
2, 1.
closed you. Wait, did I just return to the menu? Oh, that's how you close them.
I guess you forgot about me. Where are you?
Hi, Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth. It's 12 a.m. still. How?
2.
Oh, my!
2, 1.
I hate this level. What the? Why do these plush babies have to be in
Let's
here?
see how many pieces I can cut you into.
I thought you were gone. Oh, hi. Why are you in my house? Go away.
I guess you forgot about me.
Dude. What the fuck? Oh.
2,
Uh-oh.
1.
Hi. I'm not in here. What the fuck?
Let's see how many pieces I can.
Thought you were gone. I thought you were gone. You know what?
Two,
Screw it. I might as well do
one.
the pizza party. What the fuck? Okay, I can't.
Let's see how many pieces I can cut you into.
Let's not.
It feels like home.
Yeah, because it is your home, stupid. What the? Oh, pull you out. Elizabeth. How is it still 12 a.m.? Now it's 1 a.m. Wait for them to be. Okay, so when they're shaking like that.
I heard your call.
Okay, when they're shaking like that. Now, okay. Doing good so far, 1 a.m. It's 1 a.m. and I'm closing this.
I guess you forgot about me.
Circus baby, I don't appreciate you.
It feels like.
I'm in the sand closet.
Did you have a gift for me?
No.
You won't die, but you'll wish you
Oh,
could.
I think they almost killed me.
Where are you?
Was close. I'm nowhere. I'm in the same closet you keep trying to go to.
It feels like home.
Yeah, because it is your home, stupid. It is your home. Frick. Ugh. 3 a.m. hit.
Let's see how many pieces I can cut you into.
Not any pieces. I did not think that was going to open it. I was trying to check what battery percentage my phone was at. Now I'm gonna have to do it again. I was at 2 a.m.
Two, one. I heard your call.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
It feels like my birthday. Did you have a gift?
No, I didn't. No, I don't have a gift for you. I don't.
It feels like home.
You're home, stupid. You're home, you retard. You stupid. Dippy. Dippy! Fat frick.
It feels like my birthday.
No.
Did you have a gift for me?
No. I'm not giving you my life. That's what you're asking.
I heard your call.
Open. 2 a.m. Come on. 2 a.m. Dang it.
Cut you into.
I want 2 a.m. now. Dang it.
It feels like my birthday. Did you have a gift for me?
No, I didn't. Fat frick. I will not hesitate to scoop you. I will not hesitate to scoop you, sister. I'm sorry.
My birthday. Did you have a gift?
Open. These plush babies can kill you, I know that.
Let's see how many pieces I can cut you into. Let's see how many pieces I can cut you into.
I don't know. I don't know.
Want to see the scooping room?
3 a.m. Okay, I made it another hour. Keep an eye on you.
Did I catch you off guard?
A little bit. Open.
Let's see how many pieces I can cut you into.
Open. Ah, I found a tactic. You guys can use this tactic too if you're trying to beat Circus Baby on mobile. Just wait until they make the plush babies make a noise and then open it. 4 a.m. Can't believe I'm actually beating this. Ah! This is plush baby all over again. This is the plush baby level all over again. Only going up against the real Circus Baby. Hi. Ah! Plushies. I could care less about the plushies. About the plush babies.
Did I catch you off guard?
Little bit, Elizabeth. Just a tiny, tiny bit, Elizabeth. Okay.
It feels like home.
How is it still 4 a.m.? I'm staying out there. I'm staying in here.
You won't die,
5 a.m.
but you'll wish you could.
Too late, and I'm too close to be. Oh crap. Right now.
Did I catch you off guard?
Little bit. Ah! Don't do that right away.
Want to see the sleeping room?
Not really. We'll survive this. Come on. How did you even get out of the
Where are you?
same closet you've been coming to?
I guess you forgot about me.
Ah, I thought the plush babies were gonna kill me. Hey, Bonnie Plush! Yeet. We got the Bonnie plush, and you know what? Because I can. I'm doing hard mode for these two. We're gonna do hard mode for Mangle, cause why not? Might as well. We've got time. Oh. Get Mangle. What now? Did not mean to hit return to menu. So this is going to be hard. Why would I want to remember Jeremy again?
72 degrees. Good job. See you next time.
Oh, you suck. Oh, you suck. Oh, that sucked. Hey, I got all the plushies! Yay! Well, be prepared for next episode because, we're gonna be doing the hard mode. But we have all the plushies. Check them out. But anyways, guys, that will be it for this video of Five Nights at Freddy's Help Wanted. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Share the video with your family and friends. Favorite the video, and we'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone.
I am the brilliant one you call intelligent. Of all the ways you pass from this life in an instant, the probability that you'll die